And now, introducing Gourmet Gains.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making protein ice cream. This is low calorie, high protein, great anabolic treat. So, first of all, I sound like Gordon Ramsay. So, we've got first ingredient, ice. The more ice you put in, the bigger the ice cream serving will be, and you're going to be more full. So if you're on a diet, this is a great treat to have. You're going to be really full, and you're not going to want to eat any of the cravings that you've got going around your head. Second ingredient, we've got blueberries. I'm using blueberries, you can use any other fruit. I like to use frozen just so it's nice and cold and it doesn't take as long to freeze in the freezer. Third ingredient, we've got 1.5 scoops of protein powder. That's 60 grams of protein powder. For me, I've got my protein, strawberry cream. It's going to be about 45 grams of protein. Fourth ingredient, we've got milk. You can also use almond milk, lactose-free milk, whatever your preference is. You can even use water if you're on a really strict diet. I'm going to be using 70 milliliters of milk. If you're American, I think that's about 1/4 cup of milk. The fifth and final ingredient is xanthan gum. You can also use guar gum. It's basically a thickening agent that's making your ice cream much more like an ice cream texture. We're going to be using 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. This recipe is really simple. All you've got to do is put the ingredients together. So starting off with the ice, we'll put in the frozen blueberries. You can also use raspberries, strawberries, anything like that is going to be really tasty. Next, we've got the 1.5 scoops of protein. Let's put that in there. Next, we put in the xanthan gum. Like I said, 1/2 teaspoon is going to be plenty. This is just going to make your ice cream nice and thick. 1/2 teaspoon in. Then the final ingredient to add is the 70 milliliters of milk. I would advise starting off with less milk and then slowly adding more until you've got the right consistency, because obviously you can't take it away. Start small and add more. So, easy as that. Put it into your blender or whatever you've got. It's going to take a couple of tries because this is going to be very thick. Here we go.
So I'm just sat here editing and I realised I haven't announced the winner of last video's competition. So congratulations to Faik Aziz. You've won the free training program and diet advice. Well done.
Like I said, this is going to take a couple of tries. Once it's started struggling to blend it, just give it a shake. You might even want to just get a scraper in there, just to make sure it all blends in. I'm just going to get a scraper because it's not actually blending in very well. We are back with the scraper. Don't actually know what they're called. Anyone know? Put it in the comments. So you can see it's already thickening up really well. You can barely pour it out. In fact, I'm going to tip it all the way upside down. That's a good sign. You want it as thick as you can, pretty much. So I'm just scraping down the sides, trying to make sure it's all mixed in. So this is going to take a couple of minutes, but it's definitely worth it. We'll go one more time on the scraper and I think that'll do us. So that is us done with our protein ice cream. So all you're going to do next is just put this into the freezer. I like to leave it for a couple of hours. You could just eat it now, realistically, it's thick enough, but I personally like to have it a little bit colder. So it's been about 3 hours now. We're just going to take it out of the freezer to show you the final results. Like I said, it's about 3 hours later now. Ice creams came out perfectly. Perfect texture. It's nice and thick. Once again, it's not going to come out over the top of my head because it is so thick. Let's give it a try.
Damn, boy, he's thick, boy!
Yeah, it's really nice. Perfect blueberry flavour. You can't really taste the protein, to be honest. I'm sure you could use any protein flavour. As long as you've got the fruit in there, it's going to taste really nice. The next one I'm going to try is banana. Like I said earlier in the video, you can try it with strawberries, raspberries, anything like that. It's going to be a great treat, and it's going to be macro friendly, it's going to be calorie friendly, and it's going to be an excellent pudding to supplement your diet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you can give this one a try at home. Enjoy it, like, subscribe, and comment down below what flavour you chose to do it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.